Money Academy.
In today's video, I'll be talking about a simple black art method that you can use to promote your CPA. This method will generate leads for you and you'll get paid. We'll make a lot of money using this simple method. This simple method can also work with other CPA offer websites. So, but today we'll be using cpagrip.com. cpagrip.com is actually a site that you can use to promote CPA offer link to make money online. So what we're going to do right now is, if you don't have a cpagrip account, you need to sign up for a cpagrip account. So you click on register. Then after you click on register, then you fill in these details here: the first name, the last name, the address, your country, the zip code and everything. Then after filling the whole information, you click on these 3 boxes, then you click on register. But as for me, I have a cpagrip account, so what I'm going to do right now is I'll log in into my account. Then I'll click on login. So after clicking on login, it will bring us to this page. Then I'll wait for it to load. If you're still watching this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel, so that whenever I drop more videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notified, and you'll be able to watch the full video on time. Then you'll be able to take a step and make more money. So we'll come on google.com. Then we will type in logo samples. So then we click on search. So after clicking on search, then we'll click on images. Then it will display different logos for us, you understand? So the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to select. You can select from different categories from here. You can select any logos from this different category. So, but in this video, I'm going to be selecting this particular category that says logo design. So it will bring us to this page. So you can just search the ones you want, the ones that look good. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'll pick a few of these pictures here. Then I'll begin to download them on my laptop. Go right click, then after right clicking, you click on save as. Then you click on save. Then we'll go to the next picture. We'll do the same thing, save as. Then we'll save. Then the third picture. So we're going to do the same thing. Then we'll save the picture. So we'll go to the next one also. We'll save this picture too. So we'll be using these pictures for this CPA method, this black art method that we're about to do right now. So, but make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you won't make any mistake. So stay to the end of this video. So next we come to google.com/drive. Click new. Then after clicking new, we click on new folder. Then after clicking on new folder, then we'll name this folder. Okay, let's name it as creative logo design. Then we'll click on create. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click on the folder here, which says creative logo design. So when it opens, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to come here. So we're going to click here. Then we'll click on file upload. And we will select all the pictures that we just recently downloaded from Google. So then after doing that, we click on open. So we'll wait for the whole pictures to upload. So after uploading, so the next thing we're going to do right now is we'll click on the back button. Then we'll go back to this place that says creative logo design. So we'll open. So we're going to right click right now. So then we'll click on get link. After clicking on get link, then we'll click here. Then we'll click on anyone with the link. So after doing that, so we'll click on copy link. Then after that, then we'll click on done. So we move to the next step. So we'll go back to our cpagrip. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click on monetization tools. So then we come on URL locker. So we'll click on this URL locker. So then the next thing we're going to do is we click on create new locker. Then we come down here. We'll click on this box. Then we'll click here too. So it's going to bring us here. So the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to select a template. So we'll click on this place to get a template. So this particular template, human verification, is a better template. So we're going to use it. So we're going to click it right now. So after clicking it, so the next thing is we're going to click on general. So under this general, we're going to give this thing a name. So let's give it a name right now. So let's type in creative logo design. as the topic, as the name. So we'll leave the rest like this. So we'll leave everything, so we won't touch any other thing. So under this access time, we can just select forever. So after selecting forever, then we'll come to lock URL. So this lock URL, we're going to paste our link from our Google Drive, the link that we generated from the Google Drive. So we're going to put it here in this section. So then after completing the whole task, they'll click on save. So as you can see, this is it, creative logo design, and that is the link. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to click on, so we click on get links. So this is the link. So we copy the link, click on copy link. So let's go to let's go and paste this link on the browser right now. So when we paste the link, it's going to bring us to this human verification. So whenever anybody press on that link, it will bring them here. So when they click on choose this, when they click here, so it will bring them to this survey. So whenever they answer this survey questions and they drop their email address, you'll make money. The next thing to do is to come to docs.google.com. You click on this blank, then it will bring us to this page. I'll click the link below to view our logo samples. We'll copy this, then we'll try and put this in the video. The next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to try and enlarge this text. We'll click on bold. After clicking on bold, the next thing is we'll click on we'll write click here in capital letter. Then we will insert the link that we got from the cpagrip, from the URL content locker. So we're going to put the link here. So after putting the link, you will click apply. Then we go to the next, click file, then click download. Then we'll come down here, we'll click PDF document. So then we'll wait for it to load. So after it's finished loading, when we open it, it's going to display like this. So whenever we click on here, whenever we click this place, it will bring us to this human verification. So anybody that comes on this human verification, once they click on this choose survey, to bring them here. So whenever they drop their email address, cpagrip is going to pay us. So it's very, very simple. So the next thing we're going to do right now is how to promote this particular page so that a lot of people can see our PDF document. This is where the trick comes in. So you need to pay much attention to this. If you're enjoying this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, so that you can support this channel to grow. So let's get back to the video. The name of the website we'll be using is called freelancer.com. So on this freelancer.com, people can easily come on here to make money, like you earn money freelancing. But what we're going to do today is we're going to sign up as hire a freelancer. So that means we're going to hire someone to, to do something for us. So what we're going to do right now, so we're going to come to this place that says choose a name for your project. So the name of the project will be build us a logo. So the next place says tell us more about your project. So we can just write, hello everyone, we are starting an internet business and we need a professional logo for it. You may download some logo samples from the PDF file that is attached in this message to see if you qualify for it. So after writing that, the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to upload the PDF file to this place. We click on upload file, then we'll put our PDF file, then we click next. So when we click next, what skills are required? So they've already listed the skills for us, so we don't need to worry about that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click next again. It will bring us here. We'll click on pay fixed price, then we'll select an amount. So in this video, I'm going to select this. Okay, let's select this. After that, then we'll click next. After clicking next, then we'll click on free. There's a paid version and there's a free version. So this standard project is a free version, so we'll click on this particular one which says free standard version, standard project. Then we'll come down. So then we'll come down, we'll click on next. So this is what it's going to look like. So then we'll click on yes, post my project. So after clicking on yes, post my project, so it's going to bring us here to sign up since we don't have an account. So what we need to do right now is we need to sign up an account with this website. So the first thing we're going to do right now is you write your first name. So if you don't have this website, I'm going to drop a link to this website. It's an affiliate link, so you can click on the link so that you can get bonus from this site. So let's sign up on this website right now. So let's just say, okay, let me just put my email address first. This is how to sign up. So you come to the password, you put your password. Then after typing the password, you click on this box, then you click on join freelancer. So after clicking that, so you will need to select a username. So let me select my username right now, Novas 009. So click on next. Bring us to this page after clicking next. So we need to email verification required. So we need to go to our email address. Then you look for the email verification email. Then the email verification message from them. The email verification email. So I'll click on verify my email. So after clicking verify my email, it's going to bring me here. So after bringing us here, our post will go live. So most people will start writing to you. Most people will start requesting for jobs from you. So like this person, this Sheliza has actually messaged me right now. She wants to work for me. So most of them will check your details. After checking your details, they will see they will have to go through your CPA affiliate link. So once they go through your CPA affiliate link, most of them will fill the survey. So once they fill the survey, you get paid. So it's just very easy. You can go on our channel and check other related videos that I've made in the past on cpagrip and other CPA network. So you can watch the other videos to get more details about CPA. So if you know that you've actually benefited from this video right now, can you please kindly smash the like button and click on subscribe button so that this video can actually go viral. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.